In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning glow effect in CapCut, a powerful and user-friendly editing software. Whether you're looking to emphasize text or highlight part of a clip, this effect can make your content truly stand out. Let's walk through the process together. Firstly, begin by selecting your text or the specific section of your clip you want to apply that eye-catching glow to. This is where you'll be focusing your creative energy today. If your subject is text, ensure it's positioned just right in the frame so that the glow complements its natural aesthetic, as well as any existing themes you've incorporated into your project. Now, we'll need to duplicate this layer. Think of this duplicate as the magic touch that will really make your subject pop. You'll want to position this new layer directly above or below the original one in your timeline interface. Essentially, this duplicated layer will serve as the basis for the glow effect we're about to craft. So precision is key here. Once your layers are properly aligned, it's time to apply a glow or blur effect to the duplicated layer. The selection you make here depends on the specific look you're aiming for. A glow effect will bring out vibrant highlights, whereas a blur can add more soft illumination. Don't be shy to experiment a little to see which version best enhances your clip's mood and atmosphere. After applying the effect, it's crucial to fine-tune the brightness and opacity settings. This step allows you to control the intensity of your glow, ensuring it doesn't overpower your subject. You're looking for that sweet spot where the glow gently radiates, adding depth and interest to your content, without detracting from the overall narrative. Take your time adjusting these settings. Small tweaks can lead to significant improvements in the final output. Finally, it's time to refine your effect using blend modes. By opting for modes like Add or Lighten, you can achieve extra shine and polish to the glow. These modes work by merging the glow layer with the original, creating a seamless integration that feels natural. This gives your video a professional finish, one that feels as though it's seamlessly integrated into the frame rather than artificially superimposed. And there you have it, a simple yet effective method to give your videos that extra sparkly wow factor using CapCut. Remember, practice and experimentation are your best friends here. Play around with these tools to find the style that suits you best and enhances your unique creative vision. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing.